You ready?
Prime it?
Prime it.
Guess what, we should see if it starts.
Yep.
Alright.
You ready?
Prime it?
Prime it. It's not even clicking over. Sweet. Starter's spinning.
It's not engaging the flywheel.
Let's look at it. Alright, so the wire is touching right there. That seems to be the issue. So
Hear a rattle?
yeah. Almost. Very close.
Battery.
It's not.
Connections.
I think the easiest thing actually is to just push this off to the right.
letting it idle for 20 minutes. Then right after that, it should be good. Sounds really good. Might need a valve adjustment, which not too bad, but we're definitely gonna make it to Socal Vintage, so that's great. But yeah, smoking a little right now, so I gotta check on it. Alright, so got it running. Sounds good. No problem getting it to bleed, which we'll tackle tomorrow. There's a lot more work to do tomorrow. Obviously it's getting dark, so gotta pack it up. But yeah, then just do a little bit of trim stuff, clean it up, and then get ready for Socal Vintage this weekend. Alright, so we got the carb bled. Coolant's looking good. I might need to do it like one more time. It's still a little finicky. In the meantime, while I'm letting it cool down and stuff, I'm working on all the trim pieces and stuff. So we got all fresh trim in here, inside here, outside there. It's on the same on both sides of the car. Nice and fresh. Just gonna throw on this front bumper right now. Put the new grills in. See, it's got Bimmerheads on one side and torque on the other. Alright, just putting in trim pieces. We got these Technic. These are actually used off a 4-door. Some guy had locally, just the fronts. The rears I actually had to buy new, which luckily you still could. The fronts you can't. I was surprised to find them locally. It was great. Dude was parting out some cars. I bought the clips brand new from BMW. They literally just slide in these slots. Makes it easy. Then you just gotta line it up. Yeah, originally I had some coupe ones and I was gonna have to trim them down because they're longer. But then I found these, so I sold the new coupe ones to my buddy. Gotta love trim. Lots to do. Alright, well, that's looking good. I did the rears already. Well, looking good. Looking like a nice car. Except for the interior's kind of grimy.